Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through a fun process of how to create this beautiful pattern. The first step is to take your watercolor sheet and create a quick background using a very light lime green. The next step is to create these stems. So I'm slowing down the video over here to show you how to create these stems. Take a thin round brush, size 0, size 000, 00, any of these should do. And then you will just create these lines randomly flowing in different directions. Go around the page and create all of them. Once the green stems are done, choose the color of your flowers. Here I'm using a crimson pink, which is part of my color palette from pastel range, which is from Primer, and I'm just going to create like droplets of water around all of these stems. This is a really fun process. You can even use multiple colors for each individual bunch if you want to. In this style, you don't need to create multiple layers. You can just create this entire pattern using a single layer, and you'll notice how beautiful this entire thing looks. This process is also a lot of fun. In this case, I also go around outside my borders. I don't necessarily stick to it all the time. It gives a little bit of a curiosity or a fun element to your painting or your pattern. I think it's quite nice that way. However, if you do want to stick within your borders specifically, then you can use masking tape or washi tapes around it, and you'll notice that even if you go over the washi tapes, once you remove it, your borders would be perfect. I hope you had a nice time watching this tutorial. Do recreate this. You can tag me on Instagram and I'll be able to see what you've done. Thank you.